Hi everyone, so last lesson of the term, lesson number 35 is the scales and arpeggios. We're going to put both these lines together. We've done these individually in the last two lessons. There's a small transition to look at and then we'll spend most of the time just practicing what we've done. Okay, back to the piano then. Just to recap on the first line, starts on C in both hands, slightly delayed in the left hand because the right hand starts first. It looks like this, nice and slowly. So that's the first line. The second line looks like this. So the only thing really to notice in it is the transition between the second line and the first line and the second line. So we've just had the so the left hand is in the right position for the next bit, but our right hand isn't because we've got a thumb here. This thumb needs to go back down to the C to be able to do the. So what can sometimes be tempting is to sort of try and move both hands, but we need to isolate them. So the left hand is going to stay exactly where it is at the end of that second phrase. So. And then. And then the other bit of temptation is to play the C in both hands at the same time. But you've got to again wait. So if we just look at that transition, it's probably best to play the bit from the B scale. And I recommend just going over that bit again and again, just to get used to that transition, because we've not done that before. Everything else we have, but let's do it again. Oh, sorry. And then carry on. That's the sort of new bit to look at. I'm going to play the whole thing a couple of times just so you see it, and I'll leave the rest to you to do the practice. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. One more time. Nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good luck, have a great half term, and I'll see you next term.